Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal 7 day 7 oracle messages for you guys from today till the 31st of May 2026. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Okay. So I'm conducting a live 7 day 7 Osho meditation event from 5th till the 11th of June 2026 and 4:30 till 5:30 p.m. Don't forget to join that. It's life changing. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's not going to be one of those boring meditations where you just have to focus on something or like that. It's going to be a lot of fun, loving, dancing, blah blah blah. I can't explain in words. I'm so excited. So link is given below in the description box. For the same price is 3,500 for Indians for 7 day session, and for others it's 125 USD. Okay, let's start. Scorpio. The overall energy for Scorpio people for this week. Let's see what we have. So I have the Six of Raphael. Embrace your inner child, new friends or rekindled relationships, children or childhood. So you guys might be quite serious these days, and the more you are going to connect with your inner child, the more your life is going to be more beautiful and positive and happy-go-lucky. New friends or rekindled relationships are also possible in this week. So maybe you are going to make new friends, or you are going to rekindle with the old ones. Something related to children or childhood is going to be of importance for this week. For today, we have the Five of Ariel. You need not go through your current challenges alone. Something is happening, and you might be going through a lot in your life. You don't have to go through your challenges, go through your hardships alone, Scorpio. Help is nearby. Only all you have to do is ask for it, and you will be able to get it, like for sure, around you. Negative thoughts create self-fulfilling prophecies. Now might be your negative thoughts, or your mind is telling you stories and scenarios that are not actually true, but you guys are feeling like that is the ultimate truth, and it's like making you feel like I don't know what is the meaning of self-fulfilling prophecies, but I can understand that the meaning here is that you are feeding your negative thoughts and you're making it feel like it's your reality, but it's not. 26th is the night of Ariel. There is so much to accomplish. There is so much to accomplish in a particular direction. Make a proper plan and strategy. Make a very detailed plan and proper strategy, and you will be able to accomplish whatever you're trying to achieve here. Being watched over by someone kind. Somebody is watching you. Whether it's a person or in general, the universe is sending kind energies and kind people around you. But somebody is watching you, and there are good chances that you guys are going to get help in the coming future. 27th we have the Seven of Raphael. 25th, 26th, 27 we have the Seven of Raphael. Time to make a decision. It's time, it's high time for you guys to make a decision or a choice in a particular direction. Be clear, be very clear on what you really want, and take action accordingly. A need for detoxification. Okay, whether it's mental, emotional, digital or otherwise, this is the day for you guys to detox and detach from heavy and burdensome kind of energies. Be clear on what you want and take action accordingly, Scorpio. That's very important. 28, we have the decision. Release yourself from which holds you back. Something or someone is holding you back. You guys have to release that particular person or energy out of your life, out of your system. A need to detox. Again, detoxification is required here. I think for most of you, it's a physical detoxification. There's a lot of there is a lot of garbage inside of you. Maybe you need a gut detoxification. If it is in your mind, and this is your green signal to go for it. Unnecessary worry based on lack of self-confidence. You might be worried about something or someone that you cannot control, change or fix or do anything about. It's just coming out of lack of self-confidence. It's like it's nothing like you can't do anything about it. You can, but your lack of self-confidence is making things unnecessarily difficult to deal. Okay, so we have 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th. 29th, we have the Three of Michael. Release the past. You will grow from the situation. Time heals all wounds. Okay, you guys are focusing on something or someone from your past too much. You guys are not able to release something or someone out of your system, out of your life. The time has come for you guys to do that. You will grow from the situation. You will be able to grow from the situation that you guys are holding on to only when you will be starting this process of releasing it properly from your system, from your life. Time is going to heal all your wounds. It's not like time is going to heal your wounds. You will be able to manage it properly with awareness. With as time is going to pass by, you guys are going to be fine. But awareness and releasing the past is very, very important in order to achieve something really good. Otherwise, you guys will not be able to move to the next chapter of your life. That is common sense, okay? 30th, we have the 8 of Michael. You can be free. Make a courageous choice to change your situation, not seeing things clearly. You can be free from something or someone. You might be continuously keeping yourself trapped in a situation and you think that you cannot get out of it, you cannot do something about it. It's just your mind again telling you that you can't be free from something or someone. You can be. All you have to do is make a courageous choice and decision of of leaving the situation or person or thing behind, and you are going to be okay. You are going to be free. Stick to that decision or choice of yours. Is that is most important. Make a courageous choice to change your situation. You guys have to make a bold choice to change your situation. Otherwise, you guys are going to feel trapped, or you guys are going to be continuously in a not so good kind of energy, not seeing things clearly right now because you guys are not giving yourself the opportunity to see them clearly. Once you guys are going to make a choice or decision, you will be able to see each and everything clearly, loud and clear. 31st, we have the page of Michael. An exciting new challenge is going to be there for you guys, and you guys will be able to manage the challenge. You have what it takes to succeed. You have the power, you have the capacity to do whatever it takes to succeed in a particular situation. Review contracts or documents very, very thoroughly before you guys are going to sign for any kind of collaboration, partnership, or any kind of documentation. Review the contracts and documents thoroughly before you guys are going to make any kind of, again, collaboration or partnership. Maybe if you are, if some kind of legal work is required, so hire somebody good who can help you in this process, okay? So okay, very, very important for you guys to do it properly. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, Scorpio. I think I'm tired. I did a lot of videos today. The guidance here is 9 of Michael. Your worry is unnecessary. You might be worrying too much about something or someone, and it's actually unnecessary because this is something that you cannot change, control, or do anything about. So let the universe do its job, and let go and let God. Let's surrender to the divine. Focus your thoughts on the outcome that you desire or want in a particular situation. Release yourself from feelings of regret, guilt, or worry that you are continuously feeling because something didn't work out or you were not able to do something better in the past. So the past is in the past for a very, very valid reason, Scorpio. The more you are going to hold on to something that you cannot do anything about, the more it's going to convert into guilt and or regret. So it's better for you to learn from your past mistakes and start moving on to the next chapter of your life after learning from the mistakes, okay? Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. And don't forget to check out the 7-day-7 Osho meditation link. It's amazing. It's amazing. I can't tell you in words. Okay. Bye. Take care.